Umayma says, what's the ruling on boys and girls having platonic relationship? They're just friends without any haram feelings, simply hanging out and being buddies. You have to ask yourself, what do I want? To follow Sharia or to follow my whims and desires? It's a very simple question. When you want to follow your whims and desires, as many people do, and they say clearly, we don't want Quran and Sunnah, we want logic, we want what the people are doing, we want this and that. In this case, this is not our territory and we cannot speak with such people. But when people, as real Muslims, say, no, we want to follow Sharia, of course. What do you think? Do you see a cross hanging on my chest? I'm a Muslim. What do you think I want to follow? Of course, Sharia. When we follow Sharia and we go and check what Islam says about the issue of platonic relationship, we find that this does not exist. We find that free mixing is totally prohibited in Islam. We find that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, no man would be alone with a woman in seclusion except the third one with them would be shaitan. We find that Allah Azza wa Jal orders women to lower their gaze and not to soften their voices when speaking to the opposite gender, so that the one with illness in his heart would not be tempted. We find that Islam prohibits a woman from wearing perfume where there is a possibility for a non-mahram to find the scent of her perfume. It's prohibited, and if she doesn't abide by this ruling and she wears it, then the Prophet described her ﷺ as a fornicator. And the list goes on, which means that there is no such thing as platonic relationship. I saw a clip the other day for a celebrity. He's American, a non-Muslim. His name is Steve Harvey. I think he hosts a program called Family Feud or something like that. And he's a comedian. He used to be. And he was asked, do you have friends among the females? He said, no, I don't have any female friends. So the interviewer was asking him, why is that? He was reluctant, but then he spilled it all out. He said, don't believe that there is a friendship between a man and a woman. And all the men that are your friends, he's talking to the interviewer who's a female, all the men who are your friends because you're blocking them. The moment they see a crack in the door, the moment they see an opening or a chance, they will definitely take it, as he says, and you will see fireworks. He says no man on earth would hesitate to seize the moment. And this guy is not a Muslim, but he speaks from fitrah, subhanallah. He speaks from human nature, and he's the logical person. And subhanallah, I wish I could meet him and discuss a few things with him, because he seems like a very reasonable and logical man that you may easily present Islam to him and he may become a Muslim because he is a logical person. But subhanallah. Anyhow, so there's not such a thing as platonic relationship. The moment a man can find a way, he would take this chance. As he said, as Steve Harvey says, you will see fireworks. So definitely, according to Sharia, this is prohibited and haram.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you. as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.